Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I have something very exciting to share with you. So today I'm going to share with you a very new AI agent that we have built and we are launching it very soon. So you might know that we work with a lot of small businesses who are looking to replace their current CRM software and looking to replace it with something much more customized. So if you were looking to build a customized CRM at low cost, we're launching an AI agent, an AI chatbot basically, which will help you to build your CRM without having to do any coding. If you're looking to build a customized CRM, you simply go to this AI agent and you describe your CRM, describe the functionality that you need within the CRM, and then just watch the AI agent build your customized CRM software in front of you, and it will be done in a few minutes. And that's what I'm going to show you in today's video. So without further ado, let's dive in. So this is my Fusion dashboard, and on the Fusion dashboard, I have opened the CRM Builder AI. Basically, this is the CRM Builder AI agent. And if you want to build a new app, new CRM, we can just click on the Build New App button. And then it'll take us to a chatbot window. It'll open a fresh chat session where we can just describe the CRM that we want. And for today's video, I'm going to build a simple CRM for a construction company. And it should allow us to manage contacts, projects, tasks, and follow-ups. Basically, it's very simple functionality that I'm looking for. So I've created this simple prompt. I'm just going to copy it and then we'll go back to our AI chatbot. We'll just enter the prompt and hit send. So basically, we are looking for a very basic CRM for a construction company to manage clients, to manage projects, tasks, and a simple follow-up system with reminders. And yes, we are also looking for a page where we can manage contractors and vendors. So AI has understood what we need. It has started building our app. It tells us that it's building a new app called Construction CRM, and it's setting up the first page, which is the client list. So I'm assuming it will be a page where we can manage client contacts, create and manage client contacts. So let's wait till it builds that first page. Yes, and it has built that first page and immediately we are redirected to that page, and we can see this is the client list page. And I can see on this client list page, there is a table to manage clients. And there also seems to be a form where we can create new client records. And we can also see there are different pages that AI has created, like there are multiple pages for managing client details and then projects and then tasks, and also a page for managing the contractor details. And now it has redirected us to the second page that it built, which is the client details page. So client details page has been built. So it comes up with some dummy data. So John Doe is the dummy client. And in the data structure part, we can see AI has created data tables for clients, projects, tasks, follow-ups, contractors. So those are all the different data tables. That's our backend database. And we can see AI is setting up the page for project directory. So project directory page also has a table at the top to display all the projects. And then there is a form at the bottom where we can create new projects. If we go back to the AI chatbot window, we can see now it's setting up the project details page. I think now it has been created. Yes, so this is basically the project details page. So on the top, we can see the project name, and there are a few different tabs. So first tab is where we can manage the project details. So AI has created a form where I can manage the project details, but I don't actually like it because it's not very well structured. Then there is a tab to manage tasks, and there is a tab to manage the project calendar. And on project calendar, we can see different tasks of this project on the project calendar. And now it has created another page for task details. So within each project, there would be multiple tasks. And AI has set up a page where we can go to task details of any individual task. So this is the foundation setup task as a part of Doe residence build. So here again, we have a form where we can update task details. where we can update maybe the status of the task. We can assign it to different people. But here also I didn't like the structure of that form. And I think this is the final page that AI has created, which is the contractors directory. So again, we have a table at the top where we can see different contractors, and we have a form at the bottom where we can create different contractor records. So I think those are all the pages that we needed. So now let's check out the app and let's do a little bit of testing. So let's go to the project directory and let's try to create a new project. So I'm going to name it test project. I'm going to enter some basic details, and then I'm going to try to save this project. So I'm sure you would have come across a lot of vibe coding platforms which offer you similar kind of AI based functionality where you can build an app just by describing it. But you'll notice it builds a very good front end, but the back end takes a lot of effort. That's not the case with Fusion. When you build an app, it comes integrated with a solid backend, and that's what I want to show you. So when I try to save the project, right now it's giving me a validation error. So the project start date has a validation, but we'll easily fix that. We'll easily fix that using the no-code tools. But once it's done, the differentiator between other vibe coding platforms and Fusion is that it comes with a very, very, very solid backend. So so if you create an app, you will be immediately able to save the data. You don't need to do any other extra integrations. Your app comes with very solid backend integration. And done. Project is created. I'm sure it's very difficult to find this kind of solid backend integration in any of those vibe coding platforms. So you'll go to vibe coding platforms, they will be able to build a very attractive front end, but the backend is virtually missing. You try to save any data in the app that you've created with those vibe coding platforms, and you struggle to save the data. That's not the case with Fusion. It comes ready with a backend that just works. So here I'm just going to correct the form that was created by AI. I didn't like the structure that we had. So I just went ahead, opened the no code editor. I just said all the fields in this form should have 1/3 width. So that's what I've done. I've just restructured the form. I'm going to save this page, update this page, and then we are going to look at the live page. So this is just a much better structured form. Apart from that, we have a tab for tasks. So let's try creating a task. So I'm going to create a task, assign it to myself. You can see that in the assign to drop down, I can see the users who are using this app. Right now it's only me, so I can only see my own name in the assign to field to be selected. But you can imagine when you add more users to your app, you'll be able to assign these tasks to those individual users. So if you go to the calendar, you'll be able, so this is where we can find that task. If I click on it, we'll go to that task where we can edit the task details. So that's what I wanted to show you. We have a very capable AI agent for building your CRM apps and other similar apps. So if you're running a small business and you want to build a customized app as per your requirements, this is the best tool that you could find. If you go to vibe coding, you will often struggle with backend integrations. This is not the case with Fusion. You just saw it with your own eyes. If you build an app, it comes with a backend that just works. You don't need to worry about integrating with Supabase or anything else. It just works with a very well structured, very well robust backend. So if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave. Let us know what kind of software you would like to build with Fusion, what kind of software you would like to see me build using Fusion. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.